welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, as you all have already seen in the title and thumbnail, I'm going to open up some packages that I've ordered. In short, craft haul. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. Hello again. So here you go. There's so many to open up. So yes, let's do one by one. I'm going to keep it in the side and I'm going to take one by one. Okay, so first we're going to open this. I don't know what's inside this. I've ordered a lot of things. I have no idea what is this. So let's see. Okay, so there you go. There's one more package and one more layer of packing. So there you go. So these are keychain wings that I ordered. It has 50 pieces and yes, I get to make a lot of keychains which I love making. So that is the first one. Okay, now let's go to the second one. I don't know what this is. I know what I've ordered, but I don't know which parcel is what. So yeah, let's open it. Okay. Okay, these are rolls. These are, I think, adhesive ones. Yes, these are adhesive rolls which are like stickers, but they are colorful. That is for my printer. If you know, I have my mini printer. You can also check out the iCard here. You'll see the video. So for that, I ordered these rolls because white seems plain. If it's, you know, colorful, it's nice. So yes, these are the rolls I ordered. So okay, I'll keep this here. Next parcel. I don't know what is inside this. Let's open. Okay, this side. Sorry. Okay, here you go. Okay, sorry for the interruption. There was a call. So anyways, so let's continue. What is this? Okay, I guess I know what this is. Come on. So yes, I always wanted to try this from a long time and you can see it. These are punch needle set. You know, for embroidery and all, you can use this. It's actually, to see in videos, it is very easy to use. I should try it. You all know that I also ordered a sewing machine. Even that unboxing video is somewhere here in iCard, so you can see it. I am excited to use this, seriously. I have a lot of ideas in mind. So okay, this is an extra. Oh, this is a cutter, you know, to cut the threads off. And here we have two needles. It's like sorry, to insert thread to the needle, right? We have two of these. I already have, I think, two with the sewing machine. I got it, and there are two with these also. And here, and this cutter. Nice. I'm really very excited to try this out. I really love such things. So yes, looking forward to using it. Okay, let's go to the next parcel. What can this be? I'm assuming I know what it is. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, Oh, I am afraid I should not cut it. Yeah, just properly towards the edge. So, okay, so I finished cutting it out. So recently you all might have seen I made a purse, handbag. So in that I used these actually. I didn't show it in the video actually, but later I added these add-ons. So I will, this week only I had put up a community post. You can check it out, the latest community post. So here you go. The stickers that I had got over, so I got these. Okay, I don't know. I'm little confused if they are all of the same size. I feel it's same size only. I thought maybe the sizes will be different, but all the three sheets, the sizes are same. So yes, you can see it. It's like sticker, this whole line is connected. It's not separate. It is connected actually. You can cut it out, but yes, it is connected. So yeah. That's how it is. Okay, anyways, so let's go ahead with the next parcel. I don't know what this is. Okay, I think I know. Yeah, I know it. So let me cut it out. Oops. Okay. I really get scared if I cut the product by mistake, but it's not. Okay, so here you go. I ordered these matte types, which I use for this as well, or what they say, the bag, to make the bag. So similar matte type I ordered, so I'm going to try making some other things using this and wool and stuff. So I'm really very excited for my for videos further ahead, because I'm going to try a lot of new things. I hope you all like it too. So yeah, if you couldn't see, I'll show you close up. These are the mats. What do they say? I don't know exactly, but I call it a mat. So yeah, let's go to the next one. What is this? Okay, I don't remember what this is, but let's see. Maybe those. Yes, these are the rings. That's it. Okay, so okay, you get that. And here, these are the earrings. Only the rings part. And for this, I can hang something. So instead of stud, you can make hanging. So that type of rings I ordered. The light is too much for this. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Just to maybe better. I have no idea. Anyways, I'll put up image of all these things after the video so you can see it clearly. Next, let's go to our next package. What is this? Something heavy. Actually, I only forgot what all I have ordered. But I am a bit confused. What is this? Where am I supposed to open it? These Amazon boxes sometimes are very confusing. Okay, I think this side, because the address and stuff are there. This side I won't show you that side, but let me first open it. But in a way, it's good. The packaging are secure comparatively. So yeah. Okay, come out. So I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, done. Oh, now I got it. So here you go. These are also the rolls for my mini printer, but these are not adhesive. These are normal paper rolls, and I have many different colors. You see, there are 3 here, 3 here, and then 3 of white. So I'm loving it. It's so fun to, print out in some colorful pages. These are just normal pages, and the first one that I showed were adhesive ones, like sticker sheets. So yes, this is also one. There are a lot of rolls I ordered because almost my rolls are getting over. I just have 2 adhesive rolls left, so I had to order these. And coming to this one, it is transparent, so I'm hiding it until I open it up. So let's open it. Okay, so this is open now. Let's take it out. And here you go. I have to even take out this bubble wrap. Okay, let me take it out. Another packing. No, I think I can just remove this. Okay, there's a packet inside a packet. Okay, so finally, so much of packing, but nice. You can see this. These are silver charms, different shape they are in. I have no idea how am I supposed to show you because the light is reflecting a lot. So anyways, you will see it soon. I mean, as I said, at the end of the video you can see it. I'll show you all the images. So yeah, these are the silver charms that I ordered. There are many different shapes. There's heart, there's this safety pin shape. There's a lot of different shapes. It's nice. So even there's Hello Kitty. So yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of new things using these. So okay, let me put this inside. Okay, so we're done with all the packed stuff, and now I'll show you some of the stuff that I got from stores maybe 2 weeks back. One is this. I already had it, but it got over recently when I was making some gift for someone. So yeah, I got this. And sorry. Okay, and I got these from the store. These are a few nice emoji stickers along with the star and some circle stones. These are silver shaped, silver colored, just like the pearl beads I showed you. Similarly, these are silver, and these are colorful pearl beads. I like these as well. I like the colors actually, not very too gaudy, light and simple. And these I liked. It is something different, like I saw for the first time. They're like buttons, but there's like stickers just like those pearl beads. So yeah, so these 4 stickers I got from the store. And finally, complete set of color sheets. So it has 100 sheets, 10 of each color. So yeah, I just love craft items. So in case any of you are planning to send me any gift, give me something of craft. I will be the happiest. So yeah, these are the things I ordered, and here it is. If you'll have any idea, like any craft idea or if you have something in your mind that we can make using these things, but you want some help, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll surely make those in the future videos, because obviously I need some ideas. I would make my ideas, but if you want to know something, then you can let me know. I'll surely make it in my future videos. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and yes, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Hello again. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below, and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.